and music kick-off at JNTA Imphal. SC to script history on religious matters as state set for Ayodhya, Sabarimala decisions. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur News. You're watching News Today. I'm JESSIA, giving you the news in details. A three-day festival of literature, dance and music was kicked off today at Jawaharlal Nehru Dance Academy, Imphal. The event is organized by Writers Forum, Imphal under the aegis of Northeastern Council, Ministry of Donor. Eminent filmmaker, singer and composer Aribam Shyam Sarma, eminent poet and former director IPR, NEC Manas Ranjan Mahapratap, renowned critic and professor of English, Guwahati University, Dr. Bivas Chowdhury, and eminent writer and president of Writers Forum Imphal, Kaisham Priyakumar, attended the gala opening function as main guests. Several other artists and scholars were also present at the occasion. The festival, which will continue till October 21st, is being celebrated at Thangakarang of Bishnupur too. Addressing the function, legendary filmmaker Aribam Shyam Sarma said that music, literature and dance are an integral part of human society, which identify the culture. He added that even in the history of Manipur, musical instruments like Pena and Laiharawa musical form played a significant role. Through this art form, the existence of our society is depicted, he noted. Shyam urged the masses to develop a feeling of inclusiveness so that our culture, history and identity can be preserved and promoted.
Sigi chap chaba mapun di TV bam tiya na kali makoi ni pi ba koi society da Manipur society makoi ni pi ba agak pa phang ba teloni alo hiti ai wari ni tanga liya le jere okay ngasip jiban do habi wali de yang khangi man ngasip jiban do hebam le khongba na si sing tinggal laga shil matam masila mayam hai ite Apakah cincin kamu cincin? Ini kesor, ini kesor, kesor, ini ngasih kiban dengan gap tu dengan cendera dengan isu bukan dengan faham dengan payment aku juga itu fungsi masih tak ada nampak aku kalau betul. Thank you.
In the next 4 weeks, the Supreme Court benches headed by Chief Justice of India, Ranjan Gogoi, are set to write history on how the highest court of the land interprets belief and faith, media reported. The two constitution benches shall lay down precedents on matters of religious tenets and practices as they deliver verdict in the cases of Ayodhya, title dispute and Sabarimala temple entry. CJI Gogoi demeets office on November 17 and the judgments in the two contentious cases are expected anytime before his retirement. Notably, both these cases involve vexed issues of religion, belief, faith on one hand, and the matter of right on the other. In Sabarimala, the question of fundamental rights of women to equality and to pray have taken the center stage, whereas in Ayodhya, right to ownership and possessions of the disputed land is the moot point of contention. However, the decisions in both Ayodhya title dispute and Sabarimala review petitions require acknowledging the religious principles and interpreting them, going to the rationale behind the age-old practices, and balancing various constitutional rights under Article 14, 19, 25, and 26. Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, DESSAM, today organized a prize distribution ceremony for the recently held state-level environment written quiz competition, which was organized by the Alliance. The function was held at Lamjingbatomtv Palace Compound, Imphal. Chairman of Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur, Lamjingbatomtv Singh, President of DESSAM Salam Akas, Principal of DM College of Commerce Dr. Asim Nabachandra Singh, Principal of Ibotan Sanang Higher Secondary School Naurim Prem Priya Devi, and President of all Manipur Recognized Private Schools Welfare Association Laishram Joy Kuman were present during the function. Speaking during the event, Lamjingbatomtv appreciated Assam for organizing such programs which aimed to acquiring knowledge and encouraging competitiveness among the students. In the midst of the differences cropping up between the Naga national political groups, the NSCN CIM and the Government of India over the nature of solution to the Indo-Naga peace process, Nagaland Governor and interlocutor for Naga peace talk, Ravi, conveyed a consultative meeting with tribal Hohos, civil society organizations and church leaders at Hotel Jafu in Kohima on Friday. With a 3-month time frame given by the Government of India to conclude the 22-year-old Naga peace process, there appears to be a stalemate over the conclusion of the talks with the NSCN CIM firm on their demand for a separate Naga constitution and flag. The working committee of the Naga National Political Group, which comprises of 7 Naga political groups on the other hand, is willing to sign the deal, while asserting that the issue of constitution and flag can be resolved post-solution. The differences in the contours of the solution aspired by the two parties have also put a dent on the common opinions of the tribal Hohos and civil societies. Against this backdrop, Nagaland Governor and interlocutor of Naga peace talks, Ravi, on Friday attempted to allay apprehensions among the civil society organizations and to clarify doubts on competencies and take them into confidence. Now it's time for a short break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.
Ningol Chakobada set in Nabagidamag, quality lairaba, a home mamalda pinabagidamak same saduna lairaba. Nagamapal Ima Kaitel opposite ki first floor the labor, Showers Boutique Showroom. Inaki oiba, Apama Makalgi Firol Suna Pangadaba Showroom. Loinana, Christian Singi wedding the season aba, wedding gown to Mapamasida Pangigan.
Nupika Taginatana, Angang Singamadi Jainski, pants, shirt, half pant, coat, vest coat, kurta, pajama, fajom, kurkul fajom, Amadi ready-made fajom, Makal Suna Pangam. Yam nuevo pao mana mafam masida adom adongi apama design kudingmakki order slokjari. Amtang lengsin biro Khwai Brahmapur Nagamapal Ima Kaithelgi opposite ki fast floor da leiba Service Boutique.
Prabhavati Handloom brings you special offers for Ningol Chakoba. Ningol Chakoba na lakpa sida makal kayagi fi fanek fangbiragani. Laisabi, yumpalabi, ahal oiraba ima singna set payaba, inbayaba, fizol kudingmak fangbiragani. Ngasi maglengsin birau Prabhavati Handloom, Moirangkhom Sawgaizam Lairak Machin, natraga, ekhoigi phone number 6909126615 natraga 700580023 da call tawirau. Prabhavati Handloom.
Welcome back after the break. Truck owners and driver organizations in Mizoram protesting against the poor condition of the National Highway 306 began an indefinite strike on Thursday. The National Highway 306, earlier known as National Highway 54, connects Kwanpui in Mizoram to the Silchar in Assam. The indefinite strike began on Thursday morning at 7 a.m. in which members of the Mizoram Truck Owners Association and the Mizoram Truck Drivers Association took an active part and blocked the highway. They pointed out that the dilapidated condition of the road has led to a number of accidents on the highway. TMK English School Thawal, Leisangthem celebrated its 7th Foundation Day during a function of the school playground. Khangabok ACMLA O Suraj Kumar Pradhan of Leisangthem Gram Panchayat, RK Krishna, and Executive Engineer of Thawal Municipal Council, Waikula Chandra, attended the event as main guests. As a part of the event, meritorious students were honored with simple gifts. One of the main highlights of the function was dance and music performances by students of TMK English School. MLA of Wangjing Tentha constituency P. Brojan inaugurated a newly constructed wedding shed during a simple function yesterday at Meitei Christian Cemetery of Saram village in Thawal district. Pastor of Christian Cemetery Development Committee and sponsor of the waiting shed, Joy Kumar Yumnam, Secretary of Saram Village, Kisan Chitung, and several others attended the event. Climate change is no more a future event, it is real and happening right now. Raising awareness about the ills of this man-made phenomenon, Bhutan concluded Snowman Calibration Run 2019, a 300-kilometer marathon, which was at an altitude of over 5,000 meters on Thursday. The first person to complete the marathon was Sangye Wangchuk, a soldier of the Royal Bhutan Army from Kebisa in the Ghana district of Bhutan. The ultra-marathon follows the Farm Snowman Trek, which has been completed by fewer people than Everest. Lonely Planet describes the Snowman Trek as one of the most difficult treks of the world. The run offers perfect snapshots of the effects of climate change, which are evident in the region with the rapidly melting glaciers. This beautiful and fragile land perfectly shows the far-reaching and irreversible impacts of climate change and is a stark reminder of all the needs to be done to combat it. Once again, it's time for a short break. Keep watching.
Diwali amasung Ningol Chakauba na lakpaga iroinana Sangai Honda na festival asida Honda cars ki ahenba discount sing pizari. Hauzik lariba Honda cars ki discount sing adudi Honda Amaze up to 42,000, Honda Jazz up to 50,000, Honda WRV up to 45,000, Honda City up to 62,000, Honda VRV up to 1,10,000, Honda Civic up to 2,50,000. Honda CRV up to rupees 5 lakh. Attractive oiraba discount sing asi lakliba October 19 gi mangoinana lobi hogadabani. Discount sing asi gidamak terms and conditions khara laizai loinana madik charaba servicing center su laizari. Akupa marol gidamak ngasimak lengsin birau Sangai Honda Ghari Airport Road Imphal Manipur.
Nupi ekhoi gidi khongthang khuding seksiningai gi seksiningai ngaktani mafam matam khudimakta aina cheksinduna talakli adubu mahausayi khongchatnina khudung thiningai atumak oi Manipur da ahan boina iramdam masida sajaba ningol khudo adubu ngasidi ekhoi chingnaningai oidre Bright Enterprises ki Ningo Kudo.
Welcome back after the break. Two blast broke amok in Afghanistan, Nangarhar province when Friday prayers was going on and left 62 people killed and over 50 other injured, triggered with widespread condemnation from across the world. The mosque is located in Jodhara area of the province. According to officials, explosives were placed inside the mosque and detonated when the worshippers were busy in prayer, reported Tolo News. No group has claimed responsibility for the incident so far. The attack on the mosque in Nangarhar province, eastern Afghanistan, which resulted in scores of civilians being killed and dozens more injured, have been strongly condemned by UN Chief Antonio Guterres. In a statement released on Friday, Guterres declared that those responsible for the attack must be held accountable. He extended his deepest sympathy and condolences to the families of the victims and wished a speedy recovery to those injured. The Secretary General reiterated the solidarity of the United Nations with the people and government of Afghanistan. A state of emergency has been declared in the Chilean capital Santiago after protests sparked by increased metro ticket prices turned violent. Protesters, many of them high schools and university students, jumped turnstiles, attacked several underground stations, started fires and blocked traffic, leaving widespread damage across the city and thousands of commuters without transport, media reported. Anti-riot police used tear gas and batons against some protesters who have been demonstrating for days against the increase. The unrest exposes divisions in the country, one of the Latin America's wealthiest but also one of its most unequal. There have been growing complaints about the cost of living, especially in Santiago, a city of some 6 million people, and call for economic reforms. President Sebastián Pinheiro said the aim of the state of emergency was to ensure public order and the safety of public and private property. The measures allow authorities to restrict people's freedom of movement and the right to assembly. Now we have the sports news. Indian Super League 2019-20 will kick off with a gala opening ceremony, including performances by Bollywood actors by Tiger Shroff and Disha Patani at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Kochi tomorrow. As per reports, two-time champions ATK will take on old rivals Kerala Blaster FC in the opening game of the 6th season. The 15-time major champion is working on a memoir titled Back, which he calls the definitive story of his life. According to media reports, HarperCollins Publishers has acquired the rights to the book. Described as a candid and intimate narrative, Wood's memoir would cover his race to fame, battling injuries and personal issues, as well as his comeback at age 43, winning the Masters in April. After 2 months of coinciding with knee surgery, Woods is returning to competitive golf on October 21st to be part of the Skins game with Rory McIlroy, Jason Day and Hideki Matsuyama in Chiba, Japan. He is also planning to play the PGA Tour's new event, the JoJo Championship, that starts October 24th. Now we have the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, High Court quashes MPSC 2016, orders CBI probe within 3 months. Collective stand call rung out. People's Campaign for Resurgent Manipur dwells on community life on 8th anniversary. Imphal Free Press, NSCN CIM delaying final Naga pact over flag and constitution, says RN Ravi. Final draft agreement ready to be inked. Manipur High Court quashes MPSC 2016 main exam, directs CBI to investigate into it. MPCC denounces attack on Sonia, burns Haryana Chief Minister's effigy. Manipuri literature needs more translations, says Governor. The Morning Bell, historic. Manipur High Court quashes MPSC exam 2016 appointments, orders CBI probe. Exam conducted for namesake, says court. Naga peace talk. 14 Naga tribal bodies want early solution within centre's deadline period. Biren-led BJP government a rhetoric government sans practical works, says MLA Rameshwar. The People's Chronicle. High Court quashes MCS main exam, orders CBI probe. Khemchand credits Biren for bridging Hill Valley Gap. Rajnath okays admission of girls in Sainik schools. MPCC stages protest, burns effigy of Haryana Chief Minister. Manipur Mail. High Court quashes MPSC 2016 main examinations. Congress demands apology from Haryana Chief Minister.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Festival of Literature, Dance and Music kicks off at JNDA Imphal. NSC to script history on religious matters as state set for Ayodhya Sabarimala decisions. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.